How to pair and connect an Anker Soundcore 2 to an iPhone. So, very easy to do. First, turn on your Anker Soundcore 2. You want to see this white steady light here and this blue flashing light here. This indicates your Anker Soundcore 2 is in pairing mode. We then want to go into our settings on our iPhone. Go to Bluetooth. You want to make sure the Bluetooth is actually turned on. It'll find the Soundcore 2 here. We want to press that. It will connect. The blue light on the Anker Soundcore 2 will go steady, indicating you're connected, and you'll be able to adjust the volume on your iPhone or on the actual Anker Soundcore 2. You can go into the little eye here and disconnect it if you wish. You can also get to the Bluetooth by swiping down to the control center, going to the Bluetooth here and connecting that way. So that's how easy it is to pair and connect the Anker Soundcore 2 to an iPhone.